Hey friends, if you wish to use ChatGPT to write an email, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, open ChatGPT and then go to ChatGPT. Okay, and then you can say write an email and then write the format to the manager of a bank complaining against an employee or whatever your case is. Then you will have to write the sender email address and the and recipient, and then you will have to share the names. I mean, you have to write the actual names, not what I'm writing. And then you will have to write the complete story from your end. And then you need to write this thing, the name of the bank. So you need to add all the necessary details as much as possible and then hit enter. And even if you don't enter that, they will write some pseudonyms here that you can change later. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.